and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do pronouns, subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns. That means mine, yours, his, hers, yours, its. So let's start. I take my dog. You take your dog. He takes. I need to put an S over here. He takes his dog. She takes her dog. It takes its dog. We take our dog. You take your dog. They take their dog. This there. Okay? Their dog. I know my mommy. You know your mommy. He knows. With he, she, and it, I need to put S. He knows his mommy. She knows her mommy. It knows its mommy. We know our mommy. Next, I listen to my dad. You listen to your dad. He listens to his dad. She listens to her dad. It listens to its dad. We listen to our dad. You, this you is two people. So I put it as two, you two. But this you is only one. Okay? So you listen to your dad and they listen to their dad. I teach my child. You teach your child. He teaches. Ch at the end, I put es. He teaches his child. She teaches her child. We teach. It teaches its child. We teach our child. You teach your child. They teach their child. I help my friend. You help your friend. He helps his friend. She helps her friend. It helps its friend. We help our friend. You help your friend. They help their friend. I answer my question. You answer your question. He answers his question. She answers her question. It answers its question. We answer our question. You answer your question. They answer their question. I do my work. You do your work. He does his work. She does her work. It does its work. We do our work. You do your work. They do their work. They do their work. I go to my friend's house. You go to your friend's house. He goes to his friend's house. She goes home. It goes home. We go home. You go home. They go home. Belongs to me. The dog belongs to me. The dog belongs to you. The dog belongs to him. The dog belongs to her. The dog belongs to it. The dog belongs to us. The dog belongs to you. The dog belongs to them. Do you remember me? Do you remember you? Do you remember him? Do you remember her? Do you remember it? Do you remember us? Do you remember you? Do you remember them? Give it to me. Give it to you. Give it to him. Give it to her. Give it to it. Give it to us. Give it to you. Give it to them. For me. For you. For him. For her. For it. For us. For you. For them. See me, see you, see him, see her, see it, see us, see you, see them. This is my pen. It is mine. This is your pen. It is yours. This is her pen. It is hers. This is its pen. It is its. This is our pen. It is ours. This is your pen. It is yours. This is their pen. It is theirs. That is my home. It is mine. That is your home. It is yours. That is his home. It is his. That is her home. It is hers. That is its home. It is its. That is our home. It is ours. That is your home. It is yours. That is their home. It is theirs. These are my pens. They are mine. Those are your pens. They are yours. These are his dogs. They are his. Those are her dogs. They are hers. Those are its dogs. They are its. These are our dogs. They are ours. Those are your candies. They are yours. Those are their candies. They are theirs. Just a second. I do my work by myself. You do your work by yourself. He does his work by himself. She does her work by herself. It does its work by itself. We do our work by ourselves. You do your work by yourselves. They do their work by themselves. I watch my TV by myself. You watch your TV by yourself. He watches his program by himself. She watches her movie by herself. It watches its babies by itself. We watch our children by ourselves. You watch your movie by yourselves, because two of them you say yourselves, V-E-S. They watch their movie by themselves. I carry my bag by myself. You carry your bag by yourself. He carries his bag by himself. She carries her bag by herself. It carries its baby by itself. We carry our bags by ourselves. You carry your bag by yourselves. They carry their bag by themselves. This is my candy. It is mine. This is your candy. It is yours. This is his candy. It is his. This is her candy. It is hers. This is its candy. It is its. This is our candy. It is ours. This is your candy. It is yours. This is their candy. It is theirs. Okay? It belongs. I want to say mine. Okay. This dog is mine. This candy is mine. This dog is yours. This dog is his. This dog is hers. This dog is its. This dog is ours. This dog is yours. This dog is theirs. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.